Everything we thought we knew about the iPhone just became obsolete. For years, we've been told that smartphone innovation had plateaued, that we were just looking at slightly better cameras and marginally faster chips every September. But right now, deep within the high-security labs of Apple Park, a device is being finalized that doesn't just push the envelope, it tears it up. This is the iPhone 18 Pro Max. And if the leaked schematics and supply chain reports are even half true, we are about to witness the single biggest leap in mobile technology since the original iPhone in 2007. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Stop and think about your phone for a second. It's a tool, right? A portal to the world. But it's always had limitations. A visible notch or island cutting into your movies. A battery that barely survives a heavy day of 5G. A camera that, while great, still feels like a phone camera. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is designed to erase those buts. We're talking about the world's first 2-nanometer processor, a camera system with actual moving mechanical parts, and a display that, for the first time ever, is truly, completely edge-to-edge. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the A20 Pro chip. In the tech world, nanometers represent the distance between transistors. The smaller the number, the more power you can cram into the same space. Most high-end phones right now are struggling to master 3-nanometer tech. Apple just skipped the line. The A20 Pro is the first consumer chip built on TSMC's revolutionary 2-nanometers process. This isn't just a 10% speed boost. We are looking at a 30% increase in power efficiency. Imagine a phone that performs like a high-end MacBook Pro but uses less power than your current iPhone does while idling. This chip is so advanced that it has forced Apple to completely rethink the internal cooling of the device. They've moved to a new metallic battery housing and a graphene thermal system just to keep up with the raw output of this silicon. But why do you need that much power? The answer is Apple Intelligence 2.0. While everyone else is sending your data to the cloud to process AI, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is doing it all locally. It's a ghost in the machine. It learns your habits, pre-renders your most used apps, and handles complex video generative AI in real time. With a rumored jump to 12 gigabytes of high-bandwidth RAM, this phone doesn't just run apps, it hosts environments. You could be editing a 8K ProRes video while a localized LLM summarizes a 1,000-page PDF in the background, and the UI wouldn't even stuff up. It is, quite literally, a supercomputer in your pocket. Now, look at the front of the device. For years, the dynamic island has been the compromise we lived with. It was clever, sure, but it was still a hole in the screen. With the 18 Pro Max, the rumors are screaming one thing: under-display Face ID. Apple has finally perfected the transparency of the OLED pixels to the point where the infrared sensors can see through the screen without any loss in security. The dynamic island isn't gone, it's evolved. It now only appears when you need it, emerging from the pixels like magic, and then disappearing completely when you're watching a movie or playing a game. The result? A 6.9-inch slab of pure, uninterrupted glass. It's the infinity screen we were promised a decade ago, finally realized through sheer engineering.